everyone. In our today's video, we are going to have a small discussion regarding a common mistake that we often come across or we often make while you speak or write in English. That is misplaced modifiers. To understand that, let's see what you mean by a modifier. For example, walk slowly. Here the word slowly is act like a modifier, which is used to modify the word walk. So we often tend to misplace the use or misplace these modifiers while we speak or writing. That will change a grammatical error or a meaning change. For example, she was advised to walk by the doctor slowly. Here the word or the modifier slowly is placed after the word doctor. That will be modifying the word doctor only. So it conveys the meaning that the doctor advised the patient slowly. But what we wanted to convey that she was advised by the doctor to walk slowly. Walk ചെയ്യുന്നത് slow ആയിട്ട് വേണം എന്നാണ് ഡോക്ടർ അവിടെ കൺവേ ചെയ്യാനായിട്ട് ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്ന meaning. So if you want to convey the right meaning over there, it is important to keep these modifiers along with the verb that is walk here. So the appropriate sentence or the correct sentence in this particular context is she was advised to walk slowly by the doctor. So for more interesting videos like this, follow Tiju's Academy. ഉറപ്പാണ് വിജയം.